Good day. I guess I'm going to be a socialite on social media. Welcome to my channel, my SiSwati. I used to have a website called mysiswati.com, and then unfortunately it went to the woods. I'm not sure whether I have to revive it again, because since then I've been having comments, chats from people, especially on Messenger, wanting to learn more about SiSwati. Some make even requests for me to teach them, and so I think I am happy to just teach my language, because it's my language. I don't even struggle to come up with content for my language, and as you can see, I'm very fluent when it comes to talking about my language. So yeah, it's a pleasure to give you a few tips on how to speak SiSwati. Recently, in the past video, the most recent video, there was a comment that said, how can people learn SiSwati accent? I'll give you a tip today. SiSwati language is a very soft language. I've come to learn that, as I know other Bantu languages around, the Zulu, the Xhosa, and the other languages. SiSwati language is very soft. So if you want to improve your accent when speaking SiSwati, you must try to, I don't know how, but I would just to express how you have to switch your tongue to, you must soften your tongue when you speak SiSwati. Soften your tongue, like loosen your tongue. Don't express the consonants so hard. Like say, thank you. In Siswati, you say siyabonga. Don't say siyabonga or siyabonga. No. You must soften your tongue. Siyabonga. I love you, which means ngiyakuthandza. Don't say ngiyakuthandza. Soften your tongue, and don't over express the consonants and the vowels. So try to soften your tongue. If I say kakhulu, when I say big time, I say kakhulu, not kakhulu. That's what I've noticed with particularly people from America. They have the challenge of expressing the vowels and the consonants so hard. It actually destroys your accent, your Siswati accent. If you can take that to heart, that when you speak Siswati, try to be soft. Don't whisper, but try to be soft. That's a tip for today. Catch me on the next tip for the Siswati accent.